I'm going to let you in on some secrets about drawing faces. If you have never been here before, please hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment down below. And if you click some of the links in the description, you can purchase stuff from Amazon, and it'll kind of help support me in my videos. So I'm using some ink from like a little gift box or ink box set, one of those little Japanese ink sets, and I really think that the ink is kind of cheap. I don't have a lot of experience with this kind of ink, so I don't really know, but it takes a lot of grinding to get the ink to be really thick and black, and I don't know, maybe that's the way it's supposed to work. I'm gonna have to get a better set. Anyway, so here's the secret about drawing faces, or at least my philosophy on drawing faces, and that is the human brain puts in more information than is really there. So all you have to really do in order to be able to draw a face, and to draw the face believably, is to allude to some of the features. I didn't really draw any eyes. I just drew some shadows where eyes usually are. I didn't really draw lips. I just drew a shadow where lips usually are. I didn't really draw a nose. I just drew the shadow under the nose. And in putting all that together, you kind of assume that there's a face there. And the honest to goodness truth is, I'm not using any reference whatsoever. I just kind of measured out my proportions and started adding shadows. And for all intents and purposes, your brain fills in the rest of the information, and there's a face there. So I continued mixing this up and adding more and more ink to it to get it darker. My first layers were pretty gray, pretty light gray, and then I added more to make them darker. And it just kind of makes you believe that there's some eyes in the shadow there. I alluded to some highlights on the hair, but I didn't really draw any specific highlights. I just really kind of drew in the dark hair around the highlights. And for the background, I just put a little ink there and kind of swished up with a dry brush to give the background a little bit of excitement. So this is kind of my philosophy. I've been drawing from photographs mostly, and so I kind of have this idea of where shadows like this should go. But in this case, I'm completely making all of this up. I'm trying to make him look a little bit older than he really is. Well, trying to make him look older in this picture. This face that I'm making up, I'm making it older. And, nobody really knows where the wrinkles are supposed to be on a elderly person's face or an older person's face. So I'm just adding wrinkles kind of wherever I feel like it. And nobody's the wiser. Well, except for you now, because I told you. So mix it up some more. I'm actually drawing straight with the stick of ink right here, trying to see how dark I can make it. And it's kind of working out all right. So tell me, what is your philosophy on drawing? How do you draw faces? To me, as long as you kind of get it in the right area, you almost can't go wrong, unless you're actually trying to draw someone specific. So let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Share it on your favorite social media platform. And go to the Amazon link down below. Thanks.